Hello, I have some really fun mini bunting to show you. What you'll need is any kind of yarn and the matching hook for the yarn. You start off with a loop, and we're going to make 10 chains. Doesn't really matter how many you're making. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is just our starting chain to start the little garland. Now we're going to start the pattern, and we're going to make 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. What we're going to do now is a slip stitch in the second loop from the hook. So we have a loop here, a loop that's on the hook. We have another loop, and then this is the second loop. We're going to insert our hook and make a slip stitch. This is the bottom of the first flag. Then in the next chain, we're going to make a single crochet. And then in the next chain, we're going to make a double crochet. And that is our first little flag. And now we're going to continue on the repetitive pattern of 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're going to slip stitch in the second chain from the hook. Then in the next chain, we're going to single crochet. And in the next chain, we're going to double crochet. That is how easy it is. This is our second flag. And now chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slip stitch in the second chain from the hook. Single crochet in the next chain, and then a double crochet in the following. And now we have 3 flags. And there is our tiny little crocheted, crocheted bunting. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.